2024 Toyota Prius Prime. Pros. Most powerful Prius yet. Great efficiency and all-electric range. Mostly smooth, quiet ride. Cons. Compromised outward visibility. Oversensitive driver attention monitor. Steering wheel partially blocks gauge cluster. 2024 Toyota Prius Prime Expert Review. Bob Hernandez. The Prius gets the credit for being the innovator in efficiency, but it's the Prime plug-in hybrid that's arguably the smarter choice these days. Toyota began selling non-Prime branded Prius plug-in hybrids in the US as far back as the 2012 model year and adopted the Prime name for 2017. A heavily restyled and markedly improved third generation debuted for 2023, recasting the previously frumpy 5-door. Competitors to the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime are few but include the Kia Niro plug-in hybrid and upcoming Honda Civic hybrid. What's new? The Prius Prime received a significant redesign for 2023 that included new exterior and interior styling, better driving dynamics, improved output and efficiency, and greater all-electric range. Technology updates included a standard 8.0-inch and available 12.3-inch central touchscreen, dual Bluetooth phone connectivity, Toyota Safety Sense 3.0, and an available solar roof. Because of the big lineup reset last year, the 2024 Prius Prime is a carryover. What we think? The redesigned Prius is good, but its plug-in hybrid counterpart might be even better because of its excellent driving dynamics and up to 44 miles of all-electric range. The hatchback's powertrain is biased toward the hybrid system's electric motors, so launches are strong and torquey, and its CVT seems to operate more quietly than before. With its regenerative braking, pedal feel is natural and consistent, and steering is crisp. Over most surface conditions, the chassis is impressively composed, although better tires could improve performance. In a comparison with the 2024 Kia Niro PHEV, we declared the Prius Prime the better choice of the two due to its value, efficiency, and power output. A few details of the current Prius Prime do grind our gears, though. For one, forward and rear outward visibility is compromised due to the somewhat extreme rake of the front and rear glass. Along the same theme of sightlines, a portion of the steering wheel cuts into the view of the gauge cluster. We were annoyed most, however, by the quick trigger of the vehicle's driver attention monitor, which went off even if we glanced away for a moment to check mirrors. These feel like minor gripes compared to the excellent value the Prius Prime represents. Its fuel economy is excellent, and owners may need to worry more about stale gas than running out of charge if they're diligent about plugging in every night. It's also priced less than most electric vehicles. If you're on the fence about going all electric, the Prius Prime is a compelling alternative. Performance, range, and charging. Every 2024 Prius Prime is front-wheel drive and equipped with the same powertrain, but efficiency ratings vary by model. A 2.0-liter inline four-cylinder gas engine is paired with an electric motor powered by a 13.6 kWh battery to produce 220 horsepower, 26 HP more than the non-PHEV 2024 Prius and 99 HP more than the last generation Prime. Getting to 60 miles per hour from a standstill can happen in just 6.4 seconds. With everything topped off, range for the Prime SE is an incredible 600 miles and 550 miles for the XSE and XSE Premium. In all-electric driving, it's 44 miles for the SE and 39 miles in the XSE trims. Charging takes approximately 4 hours on 240 volts and 11 hours with a 120-volt source. Operating in hybrid mode, Toyota expects efficiency of 53/51 mpg city/highway for the SE and 50/47 mpg for the XSEs due to their bigger 19-inch wheels and greater mass. The Prius 24HLE Man's Centennial GR Edition should be a Prime PHEV. Toyota Gazoo Racing, the brand's performance subsidiary that helped develop the GR Corolla, GR Supra, GR86, and others, has engineered a concept version of the standard hybrid called the Prius 24HLE Man's Centennial GR Edition. Inspired by TGR's dominant 24 hours of Le Mans racer, it features wider racing wheels, sticky tires, flared fenders, improved suspension, and carbon fiber body parts like a rear wing and hood. But basing it on the regular hybrid might be a mistake. Building a GR Prius makes more sense on the Prime platform. It is both the most powerful and quickest Prius ever produced. It handles better than any other Prius we've tested, too. Make it happen, Toyota. Safety features: Chevron, automatic emergency braking, adaptive cruise control, lane keeping and lane centering systems, road sign recognition, automatic high beams, and a forward cross-traffic monitor are standard on every 2024 Prius Prime through Toyota Safety Sense 3.0. Additional standard safety features include blind spot and rear cross-traffic monitors and a rear seat reminder. Parking sensors and a 360-degree camera are available on higher trim levels. Cargo space and interior room. Like the Prius Prime is a hatchback with seating for 5. Front legroom compares favorably to the 2023 Kia Niro PHEV hatchback, but there's not a lot of rear legroom in the Prime. The Toyota also doesn't have as much cargo space as the crossover-shaped Kia but does offer more than a gas competitor like the 2023 Honda Civic hatchback, which only has 24.5 cubic feet behind its back seat. Legroom, front/rear. 2024 Toyota Prius Prime, 43.2/34.8 inches. 2023 Kia Niro plug-in hybrid, 41.5/39.8 inches. Cargo space, rear seat up/down. 2024 Toyota Prius Prime, 20.3/26.7 cubic feet. 2023 Kia Niro plug-in hybrid, 19.4/54.6 cubic feet. Technology: an 8.0-inch infotainment touchscreen with wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatibility and 6 speakers are standard on the lower 2 trim levels. For a bigger touchscreen, a 12.3-inch option is available for the XSE and standard on the XSE Premium top model. For more speakers, only the XSE Premium gets a standard 8-speaker JBL audio sound system. All trim levels get the same 7.0-inch driver's information display. A wireless phone charging pad and heated front seats are standard on the XSE, and the XSE Premium comes with a hands-free powered hatch lid as well as ventilated front seats. Recommended trim: the 2024 Toyota Prius Prime is available in 3 trims this year: SE, XSE, and XSE Premium. We're suckers for hatchbacks, and this one gets pretty darn close to being a hot hatch now that it performs better and looks all sleek and racy. We say go for the top model to receive the full Prius Prime experience, although the available solar roof isn't necessary. Stay on top of charging and you might have weird fantasies of never buying gas again. You'll for sure get to keep more of your money. Pricing for 2024 should rise slightly over 2023 models. Look for the Prius Prime SE base model to increase to just under $35,000 and the XSE Premium top trim to grow to roughly $42,000. Deliveries begin November 2023. Key competitors: Kia Niro plug-in hybrid, Honda Civic hybrid, Subaru Crosstrek hybrid, Toyota Prius.